Imagine waking up to see that you've earned $100, all while you were sleeping. It sounds like a dream, but for many creators using artificial intelligence, it's becoming a daily reality. This isn't about magical free money. It's about building automated wealth systems. In today's video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you 3 exact step-by-step strategies to build your own $100 a day passive income with AI. Method 1. AI YouTube automation, no face channel. Let's start with strategy number 1, YouTube automation. This is the hottest passive income method right now. You don't need a camera, and you don't even need to show your face. Here's how. First, use an AI tool like ChatGPT to generate viral-worthy scripts on trending topics, from financial tips to luxury lifestyle facts. Next, use an AI voiceover tool like 11 Labs to create a hyper-realistic narrative. Finally, combine everything using an AI video creator, like InVideo, which pulls together stock footage and syncs the voice and subtitles automatically. Publish, optimize with AI tools like TubeBuddy, and watch the recurring income from ads and affiliate links. Method 2. The AI-powered newsletter. Method number 2 is the automated newsletter. Email is far from dead. It's a goldmine. You can use ChatGPT to generate weekly summaries, curated news, or even serialized tutorials. Services like Substack allow you to monetize directly through subscriptions. Once you set up your automated landing page using an AI website builder and drive traffic with short-form content, your subscribers will roll in on autopilot. It's a scalable, low-cost asset that grows while you focus on other things. Method 3. The AI prompt. Marketplace. Finally, for strategy number 3, selling high-value AI prompts. The world is trying to learn how to communicate effectively with AI, but few are experts. Platforms like PromptBase and Etsy are seeing massive sales for high-quality, complex prompts that generate stunning art, professional marketing copy, or detailed business plans. You only need to create the prompt once, but you can sell it thousands of times. Mastering prompt engineering is like mastering a new digital language, and you are the interpreter. Creating passive income isn't about being lazy. It's about being efficient with the tools of the future. The question is, are you going to let AI automate you? Or are you going to use AI to automate your wealth? If you're ready to make 2024 the year you became financially free, hit that subscribe button now for daily AI secrets. Which method are you trying first? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching MindMatrix AI. I'll see you in the next one.